Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Calendar notifications on Android and iPhone. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Google Calendar notifications on Android, open the Google Calendar app from your device's home screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner to access the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. Choose the calendar you want to adjust notifications for. Tap on General to expand the options. Here, select Notifications. You can enable or disable notifications by toggling the switch. Choose the type of notifications you prefer, such as event notifications or all-day event notifications. You can also set the time frame for notifications. Now, let's move on to configuring notifications on iPhone. Open the Google Calendar app on your iPhone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings. Choose the specific calendar for which you want to adjust notifications. Tap on Notifications. Toggle the switch to enable or disable notifications. Select your preferred notification types, including event reminders and all-day event notifications. You can also choose when you would like to receive those notifications. Make sure to allow notifications for the Google Calendar app in your iPhone settings. To do this, go to Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Google Calendar. Ensure Allow Notifications is toggled on. You can also customize the alert styles, sounds, and badges from this menu. Lastly, double-check that your device's Do Not Disturb mode is disabled, as this may block notifications from appearing. After adjusting these settings, you will start receiving Google Calendar notifications tailored to your preferences on both Android and iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.